I call this presentation pre-beta because you're going to need it in order to complete the assignment titled beta, which is your second assignment. Okay, so what are we to notice from the given here? Well, we're to notice that autonomous consumption, not total consumption, but autonomous consumption is 10. We are to notice that autonomous investments are 30. We are to notice that autonomous government spending is 40. We're to notice that autonomous exports, not net exports, but exports, are equal to 5. And we have a new kid on the block. We have a new element here, and that's transfer payments. So we're going to use this designation. Transfer payments will be designated as TR, and they're equal to 9. All right, what are transfer payments? It's basically income distribution or redistribution by the government in the form of unemployment payments, in the form of poverty and disability. So TR is not total revenues. TR is not total reserves. TR in this context is transfer payments. Now, transfer payments are going to be part of what? Transfer payments are going to be part of the disposable income equation. In other words, in the previously, disposable income, you remember, was stated this way: y minus ty. Well, there's an addition here, and that addition is going to be TR, all right? Transfer payments, which is autonomous in this model, autonomous of or independent of the fluctuations of the business cycle. Well, if TR is part of disposable income, then obviously TR will be part of the consumption function. All right. So what else is new here? Yeah, be careful here because I'm stating it differently here. I'm not saying the marginal propensity to save is equal to, excuse me, I'm not saying that the marginal propensity to consume is equal to 0.1. I'm saying that the marginal propensity to save is equal to 0.1. So if NPS is equal to 0.1, then the marginal propensity to consume must equal to 0.9, because we know that NPC plus NPS must equal to 1. All right. What else is new? Another thing is new right here. And this is the marginal propensity to import. But be careful here, it's not the marginal propensity to import out of disposable income, it's the marginal propensity to import out of national income, because it is assumed that that not only consumers import, but also firms and the government. Okay, so it's the marginal propensity to import out of national income, which is equal to 20% or 0.2, which means that for every increase, for every $1 increase in GDP, that imports will go up by that extra wealth generated will go into the purchases of imported items. So NPI is 20%. Okay, so how do we write the equation for imports? Well, imports are equal to, in this model, the marginal propensity to import, which is given to us, 20%, times y, which we don't have yet. That's what we're going to be doing nextly, right? We're going to be calculating national income. So our task at hand is to calculate Y, or GDP. So we start off with our model equation, which will be slightly altered because we need to include transfer payments and we need to include the marginal propensity to import. All right, so we would state the model equation this way. In the numerator, we would have autonomous C plus autonomous I plus autonomous G plus autonomous X, and then plus MPC times TR, marginal propensity to consume, multiplied by transfer payments, because this model assumes that not all the transfer payments which households receive from the government will be consumed. Some will be saved. And in the denominator, we have 1 minus MPC. All right, this is nothing new, which is equal to NPS plus MPC times T plus the marginal propensity to import. All right? Okay, now, if we add the numbers, right? Autonomous consumption, 10. Autonomous investments, 30. Autonomous government spending, 40. Autonomous exports, 5. And then TR, where is TR? 9 times NPC. And what is NPC? NPC is equal to 0.9. All right. Then, what do we get? Well, we get 93.1. And solving for the denominator, we get a value of 0.57. So what is the GDP in this? What is the GDP in this model? GDP, or Y, is equal to 163.33 billion dollars, let's say. All right, so that's our Y answer. And I'll stop here because I'm going to post on BCom an assignment for you, which is going to be called, well, beta, which is the second letter of the Greek alphabet. Otherwise, I am not going to be happy and I'll take points away from you. All right?